I'm only going to be gone a couple of days.
Don't worry about me. Go, have fun.
Camping in the woods. Yay.
If you need me for anything, I have a wireless laptop internet stick. This is a wireless web stick. This is wireless, right?
I'll be fine. I've got a whole weekend planned. I'm gonna go to the park and pitch a tent and build a fire and catch some fish. Wait, that's you. What the hell am I gonna do?
Stan, Millie's obviously in the middle of a crisis. We should stay.
Crisis, misis, scooch, vamoose.
Is that rain? Guess we can't go.
No, our tent is guaranteed to be up to 70% water resistant.
Oh my God! I'm freaking out! I'm freaking out!
What's wrong?
Just messing with you, Doc. But you move like a mink. Hey, Joyce, you wanted to see me?
Yes. You're not going to believe what I have for you.
Why would you give me something I wouldn't believe? That's just mean.
It's a figure of speech. You'll believe it and you'll like it.
Oh, see, now I think you're overselling it.
Not really, because I just booked you on.
There she is, Miss TV star. You're gonna be on TV, Millie. Are you excited about being on TV?
Oh, hold on, Crystal. Joyce was about to tell me some big surprise.
Yes, as I was saying.
You're gonna be on TV.
That is what I was saying, yes. I booked you on your favorite TV show.
Dallas?
No, it's...
Daytime Debbie.
Do you need something, or are you just here to steal my thunder?
I wanted to see the look on Millie's face when you told her.
What's the look on my face tell you? So, Daytime Debbie. What do you think of that? Pretty exciting, hey?
Hell yes. I must love that show if it's my favorite. Still, it's not ringing a bell.
You're always going on about it. Local talk show. She's got brown hair, glasses.
Oh, they always play those cat commercials. I love those commercials. It's meow time for chow time.
Yes, that's the one. So just go on and talk about your Grumploo book.
Oh, this will be awesome. Thank you. Do you think the cats will be there?
Boy, I'm looking forward to this. Just the two of us, alone in the wild, soaking up nature.
Sleeping in the dirt.
Building a fire, catching our dinner.
Peeing in a bush. Wiping our butt with a pine cone.
Oh, I wouldn't recommend that you... Wait a minute, I'm starting to get the sense that you're not really into this.
What tipped you off? Was it when you asked, do you want to go camping? And I said, not really, I hate camping. Let's go to New York City instead.
New York? What's New York City got that camping doesn't?
Plumbing, theater, restaurants, culture, the Guggenheim.
Guggenheim. That's a funny word. Guggenheim. See, we're having fun already.
Afternoon, folks. Doing some camping this weekend.
Yes, sir, Ranger Smith. Hey, just like the Yogi Bear cartoons. Hey, boo-boo, we got a picnic basket. You get it?
About 2,000 times this summer. Here's some information about the park. Safety do's and don'ts. Do yourself a favor. Don't forget to read these. Sure, but the yogi thing was funny.
Listen, thanks a lot for these, but we're very experienced campers.
I hate camping.
I'm a very experienced camper. Hey, your internet is wireless, right?
Oh, so this is Daytime Debbie. Bet you if I watched it, I'd be really excited.
Daytime Debbie? Daytime Dinky is more like it. What's this?
Complimentary water and snacks?
Complimentary. More like insultmentary. When Millie Upton does a show, there should be paninis and juices. Sparkling waters and sparkling juices. Millie, am I right?
Which one of these guys is Daytime Debbie?
Running from a tiger? is tricky at the best of times, but with a prosthetic leg, it can be extra dodgy.
Oh, goodness. Did you know I was following a comedian? I can't follow this guy. He's hilarious.
Just be yourself.
I'm gonna look like half a bag of puke out there.
You'll be fine. Are these runts? For crying out loud.
We are going to be right back with Millie Upton, creator of the Grumpaloos.
Oh, plural, grumpalese.
Grumpalies! This guy's a pistol.
You're up.
I'm dead.
Why won't this thing stay in?
Why don't you read the instructions?
I don't need instructions to tell me how to plug something in. Those are the instructions. Plug it in.
Well, I find instructions very instructive, especially when there are so many parts.
Oh, I bet you got to push in and twist. Come on!
So this thing lifts up and... Hey, I did it! Not too shabby. Wow, this thing has windows.
Yeah, well, that's a tent, right? That's a cloth over some sticks. This is high tech. Come on!
Please, just have a seat.
Oi! Anybody seen any blimey tigers?
Maybe we could just talk about your books.
I hope a tiger doesn't eat one of my books. Wouldn't be hard to catch me with my rubber leg.
Oh, this is horrible. This is horrible. What was Taylor thinking, booking Millie on a live TV show?
I thought you booked it.
Let's not get into a who booked who under what thing here. Why is Taylor not stopping this?
Seriously, with those cheekbones, you could be a model. Have you thought about being a cheekbone model?
Oi! A tiger bit my bum!
And we're clear.
What the hell was that?
Oh, the word you're looking for is hilarious.
You were mocking Sir Randall Willingdon. He lost his leg to a landmine and has spent the last 20 years raising money for children with missing limbs.
Really? He should quit that and be a comedian. Seriously, he has the chops. When did the singing cats come out?